In this video, we look at the WASSCE 2023 General or Core Mathematics paper, and this one is joint variation, and it says that m varies jointly as the square of n and the square root of q. If m equals 24 when n equals 2 and q equals 4, find m when n equals 5 and q equals 9. So that is a joint variation question. Before we start, if today is your first time on my Students Class channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be promptly informed anytime we upload a new video. And hey, one more thing, click the like button so that the video can reach a lot of people. Thank you. Now let's continue. So let me take it again. M varies jointly. So it varies jointly. So this sign is called the sign of proportionality, or the sign of variation, or the variation sign, or the proportionality sign. It varies as the square of n. So it varies as the square of n squared, and so multiplication there, and the square root of q. So between n squared and the square root of q, there is multiplication here, and the square root of q. So first I have to get rid of the proportionality sign. So I'll write m, I'll get rid of this sign and bring in an equal to sign. If I bring in an equal to sign, then I have to introduce what we call the proportionality constants, small k, and bring n squared and the root of q. Now my job is to find the small k. That is what I would do. That is to make k the subject. So that is going to be very simple. To find the k, I have to divide both sides by the coefficient of the k, and that is n squared root q, n squared root q. All right, so this will cancel that. So small k is equal to m, that is capital M divided by small n squared root q. Now these are the conditions we have. If m equals 24, capital M equals 24, when small n equals 2 and q equals 4, find m. So there's one condition. I'm going to use this one condition to find k before I proceed from here. So that's how we solve variation question. So small k equals capital M, which is 24, divided by small n, 2 squared, n squared, and the roots of q is 4 here. So I have 24 because 2 squared is 4, and the root of 4 2 is 2. Okay, so I have 24 over 4 times 2 is 8. Right, 8 here 1, 8 3 24. So small k is 24. All right, so let me now find the expression here. So this implies that the expression capital M equals small k, and now I know small k is 3, so that's going to be 3 and n squared root q. That is what we're going to have here. So I know k, so I'll put small k down here, and I have this here. So this is the expression we have here. Now the question says that I have to find m when small n is 5 and q is 9. So now small n is 5 and q is 9. What is m? That is the question. If small n is 5 and q is 9, so capital M is going to be 3 times small n, 5 squared. Then I have times the root of q is 9. Then m equals 3. 5 squared is 25. And then, times the root of 9 is 3. So what is this? 3 and there's 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 25. 9, 5, 45. So 5, 4, 9, 2, 18, 19, 20, 22, 2, 2. All right. So the capital M is 2, 2, 5. So that's what we have here. Okay, 2, 2, 5. So that is the correct answer here. That is option D.